Hey, good evening and welcome. It's me again. I know I'm wearing the same outfit I was wearing in my last video, and that's because I've just gone from one video to the next. So this evening I am doing my Look Fantastic box for the month of November. Yeah, here we go. So Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box. It costs, oh, you know what, I never remember how much Look Fantastic costs. I do pay for it, but I don't remember. I think it is £13 roughly a month. I'll put the correct prices up on the screen above, but I literally don't remember how much it costs. I do get the box, I pay for it. I'm not on PR, for anything. It's a monthly subscription box, and getting lots of messages here. And it's an okay box. I must admit, this year, 2023, Look Fantastic started off really strong. The first few months this year of Look Fantastic were really good. Really good. The last few months, I would say since summer, haven't been that great. So I'm hoping that this box, now we're getting towards Christmas, party season, glamour, festivities, I'm hoping it's going to be a better box. But, oh, I'm just trying to open this. There we go. I never know how to open it. Right, before I go into that, let me just do a quick review of how I got on with the products in last month's box. So last month we received 6 items. Let's go through it. So the first item was from Beautyworks. This I think was actually one of my favourite products for last month's box in Look Fantastic. It was Beautyworks and it was a heat protecting blow drying cream. It was in a sachet with a little sort of spout, and I used it particularly for Kayla. So my niece Kayla, she's 10 years old, she's going to be 11 next month. Gosh. When I sort of wash her hair and blow dry it out, I like to put a heat protectant in it. So I tried this out and I used the whole sachet on her hair. She's got a lot of hair, so the whole sachet got used one time. It smelt really good, and it really did protect her hair, so I could use a high heat on her hair. There was no smoke, her hair looked silky and shiny. It was great. So, and I put it down to that because I've used all sorts of different heat protecting sprays, mist, creams, oils, all sorts of things. That was one of the better ones I've ever used. So I know I've put it in my basket to buy from Look Fantastic because it was really good and it smelled good. And when something smells nice, Kayla's happy. She doesn't fidget so much under it because she's smelling it. She can smell it, and then she can see her hair sort of changing. So she sits there quite happy playing with her tablet or watching TV. But yeah, that was a really good product. So that was the first product last month. Really liked that. Really liked it, and definitely will be buying it again. The next product was from Elixir. I'm not sure what it was. It was a 3-in-1 moisturizer, serum, lotion, primer. I don't know what it was. It was a product that was doing all sorts of things. I tend to not like 3-in-1 products unless it's like something for the hair. So I did put it in a giveaway, which will be on its way to Linda B tomorrow because I will be posting it on Thursday. So that gets a score of 0. Oh, I'm talking about scores again. When I do my subscription boxes, I do give my products a score. So I'll give a score of 1 to a product that I'm going to use, happy to use, used it, enjoyed it, no problems at all. I'll give a score of half to a product that I may not personally use. I might give it to my sister, my daughter, my niece to use instead. Or it could be a product that I did start using, didn't quite enjoy it, so I've dropped the score down to a half. And the next score is a score of 0, and that's usually a product that I end up putting in a giveaway for whatever reason. The reason could be that it's a product that I don't like because I've tried it before. It could be a product that's not suitable for me, so it could be something not for my skin type, or it might not suit my skin type, skin colouring, whatever reason. It could be from a brand I just don't want to use. It could be all sorts of reasons, but for whatever reason I'm not using it, so it usually ends up in the giveaway. So that would be a product that gets a score of 0. So my 3 scores are 1, half and a 0. Alright, so that Elixir 3-in-1 moisturiser serum, I did put it in a giveaway, score of 0. Next product was Esper, and it's a clean and green detox mask. I haven't used it yet, but I do intend on using it, so it gets a score of 1. Next was Delilah eyeliner. It was a black eyeliner. I gave it to my daughter to use. It's just like a creamy eyeliner. Gave it to my daughter, so it gets a score of half. Next was from Lottie London, liquid lipstick in Slay All Day. It was like a little sample of a Lottie London lipstick, and it was in that sort of rosy pink colour that we get a lot of that shade in subscription boxes. I don't need another liquid lipstick in that colour, so I did put that in the giveaway as well. So that gets a score of 0. And finally, it was an eyelash curler from Brushworks. I don't need an eyelash curler, and I certainly don't need anything from Brushworks. It's not a brand I'm particularly fond of. So it got a score of 0. So it looked fantastic last month. Wasn't that great for me. Total score was 2.5 out of 6. Not good. Let's just move on quickly, shall we? So here we go. This is the box for November. Right, let's have a look. Lots of leaflets as per usual, so I'll just get rid of all of those. Put that there. I have got a scan card, which is good because I didn't have one last month, so I have it this month. So let's have a quick look. Let's do that. I do miss Look Fantastic giving us proper boxes with themes. Just not... Receiving things like that doesn't do it for me. Presentation and stuff just doesn't do it for me anymore. No? Yeah. So anyway, you got a little sneak preview there. So edit is it's a party season. Okay. Let's have a look what they're saying here. So we've got a little blurb from them. A note from our team. Let's see what they're saying. It says, we're shaking things up this month. You'll find 3 party season favourites from Elemis, Peter Thomas Roth and Siate inside your box. Okay, that's good. Plus an additional 3 products from a Lucky Dip selection of 8 beauty essentials. Yeah, on pages so. In our November edit, we call on a beauty expert from Elemis, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it's party season and we know we've got some brands in here. Alright, what's in our box? Let's have a look. So first item is from Elemis, and it is a Superfood Midnight Facial Moisturising Sleeping Cream. I haven't received this one before. I received things from this range before, but not this sleeping cream. Right, so let's have a look. So everybody will be getting this inside their box. It's a facial, 15 mils, and it's worth £17. Elemis isn't a cheap brand, so I'm not surprised, but £17. So what is it? It's perfect for all skin types. This balancing prebiotic gel cream works through the night to drench dull looking skin in a cocoon of nourishing hydration. The indulgent formula is infused with camu, a well-known source of vitamin C, and cocoa butter, which contains omega-6 and 9 fatty acids known to provide skin with essential moisture. How to use it: warm a pea-sized amount into the palms and massage into the face and neck with circular movements. Okay, so that's our first item. So that's cool. That's all right. I'll use that. I might not use it straight away, but it will get used. Next is a product from Seattle, London. Oh, I've received this before from BoxyCharm or Ipsy, and I really like it. I don't know where my one is at the moment, but I really like this shade. Really like it. So this is from Seattle, London, and it's a marbled metal eyeshadow. Actually, did I receive it from the American Beauty boxes? I might have received it even from Look Fantastic or GLOSSYBOX, but I've received this before and I really like it. A few years back. So this is Seattle Marbled Metal Eyeshadow in shade Wicked Amethyst, 5 mils, and it's worth £22. It's gone up in price, isn't it? But it's gorgeous. It's like a deep purple colour, and it's very sparkly. It's really nice. I've worn this when I've gone out. It's really nice. I have to look and see if I can find my original one. If I can't find it, I'm keeping this because it is nice. It gives a good look if you want that evening dress up look. This dazzling formula combines stunning multi-dimensional pigments with ultrafine glitter for maximum reflection. The ultimate formula feels velvety to the touch, applying like a cream shadow for wet look, full coverage sparkle. With a range of jewel inspired shades, this glistening formula creates a wet look shine with no mess and no frustrating fallout. It is really, really nice. Marbled metal eyeshadows are best used directly on the eyelid using fingertips for intense metallic glitter payoff in one swipe. Yeah, how I've used this before is I literally just dip my fingers in and put it across my lids. It is really, really nice. How I've worn it, I usually put a base colour on, then I use a transition colour just for the crease and stuff and blend it upwards, and then I'll go in with this on the lid. It does look good. I almost want to open it, but I just got a feeling I've got my other one around somewhere and I don't want to open this if I can give it away, if I can find my other one. But it's gorgeous. It's a really, really nice colour. So, first two items. Good, good, good. Next is this is from Peter Thomas Roth, so it's a little sample, and it's an instant Firmex eye serum. I've got so many eye serums. So this one is 75 millilitres and it's £7.97. So what is it? Fortified with Firm A Tight technology, a trio of advanced skin tightening tighteners. The serum works to immediately lift and firm the appearance of skin to effectively fill the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The lightweight eye serum is brimming with vitamins, peptides and hydrating actives to brighten and refresh, delivering antioxidant benefits to combat environmental aggressors. Under eyes appear dramatically smoother and more youthful looking with lifted, wide awake results. How to use it: shake well and sparingly, apply a thin layer to freshly cleanse dry skin. Product will dry within 3 to 7 minutes. Okay, it's cool. Probably something, if it's going to be working immediately, it's probably something you want to put on before you go out. So as part of your skincare, and just give yourself time for it to absorb and do all its things around my face, around your face. But yeah, cool. I might keep this actually. I don't know. I've just seen a product which I'm really pleased to receive, because I was thinking about this the other day actually, thinking I need to get this again, but I'll come to that in a minute. But pleased to see it in my box. Right, next is a Lucky Dip product. So this is what I'm getting. Lucky Dip, it is Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. I won't be keeping this. 125 mils and it's worth £14. So it's a heat protectant cream that seeks to shield. This scrub contains antioxidant rich green coffee and rosemary that gets rid of the excess dirt, oil and impurities gathered at your roots. Added eucalyptus soothes the scalp, whilst peppermint energizes your roots and leaves behind a fresh revitalizing scent. How to use it: lightly spray through the mid-lengths and part hair before taking a pea-sized amount and massage into scalp. Continue to party and repeat until scalp is covered. Some prefer to start from the base of their scalp and work upwards. Lather and rinse with shampoo. Why is it fantastic? It is cruelty-free and contains 97.3% naturally derived ingredients. And it's worth £14. I won't be keeping it. This will be going in my giveaway. I'm not that fond of scalp scrubs, and nobody in my family is going to be using it. So yeah. Right. So we could have got that, or we could have got the Frank Body Scalp Serum, which is worth £16.95. So scalp serum might have been quite nice, but never mind, didn't get that. Next is Lucky Dip product. Oh, so you could, right, so there's 4 products you could get in your Lucky Dip. So you could have got this Frank Body one, which is what I've shown you. You could have got a Frank Body Scalp Serum. You could have also received a L'Oreal Professional Vitamin Colour Shampoo, 100 mils, or a L'Oreal Professional Vitamin Colour Mask. So that would have been kind of cool, because I could have given that to my daughter. My daughter's just had her hair coloured again. That was yesterday, but never mind. Or, what's this now? God, there's more things. You could have got a L'Oreal Professional Siri Expert Absolute Repair Molecular Rinse Off Shampoo, or L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert Absolute Repair Molecular Rinse Off Serum. Okay, out of all of the products, it looks like I got the worst one. Right, next, what's this? Right, you can also receive, in a lucky dip, a Bondi Sands Pure Self Tanning Sleep Mask. I certainly didn't get that, but I did get, which I don't mind, a Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Body Wash. Oh, I love this one. This one smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. When I smell this one, I do think it's almost made for living by the coast, which is what I do. I'm in Brighton and right by the coast, and this is beautiful. It smells gorgeous. It's one of my favourite scents from Molten Brown. So this is 50 mils and it's worth £5. So quite happy with that. I'll put it in the bathroom, and you know who's going to end up using it? My daughter. But yeah, happy to get that. This is the product I'm really pleased on receiving. The lid's come off. Glad it's not spilt anywhere. And it's the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I really like this product. Really like it. It's Way Leave-In Conditioner, 25 mils, and it's worth £8. I might go on and buy a full size of this actually. See if there's any discounts available on Look Fantastic. What is it? It's enriched with moisturising ingredients such as tamarind seed extract, panthenol and vitamin E. This conditioning spray hydrates the hair to reduce the appearance of frizz and dryness. An exclusive amino acid blend and hydrolyzed proteins help to reinforce the hair structure to protect against styling and heat damage. This moisturising spray makes detangling a breeze while fighting damage and frizz for hair that feels as healthy as it looks. It is a really nice product. This little thing, 25 mils, is worth £8. But I'm actually tempted to go and buy the full size of this actually, because I was literally thinking about it the other day. So yeah, cool. What am I thinking about my box then? So happy about this, the Way Leave-In Conditioner, so that gets a score of 1. The Frank Body Caffeinated Hair Mask. So I'm not sure. It's hair mask. I'd say it's a mask or it's a scrub. I'm not sure. I might get my daughter to test it out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this product. So I was going to put this in a giveaway, but I want to check it first because it feels like a cream rather than scrubby. So I'm going to say half for this for now because I'm not sure. The Molten Brown Shower Gel, really happy about. So that gets a 1. Happy about the Superfood Midnight Facial. So that gets a 1. The eye cream, I think I'm going to keep actually. Oh, I might put it in a giveaway. I'm not sure. So for now I'm going to say a half because I'm not sure. And as much as I really like this, I'm going to check to see if I can find my original one and what kind of condition it's in. If it's in a poor condition, then I'm going to keep this one and put my other one in the trash. But this is a product I've used before, marbled eyeshadow in this colour, and I absolutely loved it. Absolutely love it. So this could be a half as well for now. So yeah, not a bad box actually. So I'm glad this is a decent box because the last few boxes haven't been that great. That's my opinion. But guys, you let me know what you think. Oh, there's a little sachet here. What's this? This is Peter Thomas Roth, and it is, I don't know what it is. It's a little sachet of a primer. So there you go. But yeah, let me know what you think. Did you receive the same things in your box? Just let us know down below. But I think this box is a marked improvement on previous couple of months boxes. But what do you think? Yeah, if you think you want to subscribe to the Look Fantastic, I have got a link down below. If you do decide to use my link, you will get a discount off your first box, and I'm not sure what I get. I think I get points or something, but I get credit. I'm hoping it's points, which I can use to do shopping and Look Fantastic later on. That's what I'm hoping it is. But I know that you will get, I think something like 20% off your first box. I think that's what you get. Alright, so that's if you decide to sign up to Look Fantastic. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, because you know it helps a girl out if you subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, take care. Bye.